Yo, what's up guys? It's me Borys and welcome to today's trades recap. Today I took 4 trades. I lost 3 of them and one was break even. So it was a very bad day for me. Um, the price action was bad. I think that there was no setup that you could possibly take and win. But also I was trading for way too long and I took 2 losses that were 100% avoidable. So yeah, let's go over the trades. Before market open, we had a very strong drawn liquidity, being those two lows. Um, at market open, we manipulated and went up to this fair value gap, and from there I was looking for some sort of entry. Um, I know that a lot of people took this 5-minute inversion, and it was a very solid trade right here, you know. Okay, yeah, something like this. And it is a very good trade. I just didn't take it. I wanted to wait for a little bit more. Um, I waited for some sort of manipulation. We swept out those 2 internal lows, mm, and we still didn't tap any of the draws. Um, Once we inverse this 2-minute fair value gap right here, I entered. I was looking for an entry, and I entered right here once we tapped this 1-minute fair value gap. Unfortunately, wait, it's not loading. Yep, unfortunately, I lost. Um, and like, it was a good trade, so I am not mad about it. Mm, yeah, and then we just went up without touching, any draws on liquidity, without touching any sell side. We just went up. Um, from there, we created another SMT. We got a nice 3-minute inversion for value gap, so I took a small short. I think it was an okay trade. I'm not mad that I took it. Uh, Here was my break-even point, and I was targeting just a little bit of an over 1-to-1 risk reward. It was middle point of this 3-minute fair value gap. But unfortunately, we tapped our break-even point and I got stopped out at break-even. And this should have been the end of my trading session. But unfortunately, I was looking for some entries and I took those 2 bad trades. Mm, I've noticed that a lot of the times I cannot end the day when I am red on the day, and that's very, very bad. I know that it's holding me back by a lot. I also have a 2 trades per day rule, but I've broken it today. I did broke it today. Um, but yeah, and the second entry was that we created SMT right here, um, and I entered off of Turtle Soup, but it wasn't my model entry. When I was backtesting, I've never taken a trade like this, so it was definitely a bad trade. Um, I got stopped out, and then we manipulated once again. We started pushing back up. I entered off of this 3-minute inversion, but we didn't actually inverse it, and we are still holding this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So those 2 trades were very, very bad. They were 100% avoidable. I was 1.2k today. Um, After those 2 trades, I was down only $400, and even though it was still a loss, it was 100% okay. Like sometimes you are gonna lose, but like this is unacceptable, and I really need to stick to my 2 trades per day rule, and also I need to have a max daily loss limit at around $800, 8 or $900 instead of 1.2. That's where I usually stop trading when I am down. So yeah, I'm not proud of today. I am down $260 on the account. Uh, I was up 1k yesterday. I mean $900. Um, so yeah, pretty bad. But hopefully I will learn something from it. I will also journal a lot. And yeah, that's it.